A student weighted some raisins and recorded the weight X. Let's note down the statement. X is the weight of the raisins. Now she soaked the raisins in a distilled water about 2 hours. For 2 hours she soaked the raisins. Then she removed the raisins, wiped them dry and waited again and recorded time as y. Now the time changes to y. Again the raisins when they are weighted. So after this is the distance between 2 hours. Now the percentage of water absorbed by raisins may be determined in the relationship. So raisins are after 2 hours the raisins are being weighted again. So y minus x, the weight of the initial raisins, upon x into 100, because we need to find the percentage of these raisins. Here we have this option B. Let's look at the solution now. Yes, that is the correct solution.